Today we're going to be doing another technology unboxing because I bought a lot of things. So I bought a lot of technical equipment on my local online shopping store, and one coincidentally came into the mail and it wasn't even the due date. I thought it was going to be mailed around 27 or 28, and thankfully it came right here because I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. So I ordered a tripod from Lazada. Let's cover that up. You guys won't be, I don't want to show you guys my address. Here's the parcel. It's already ripped up because my dad opened it, and I was like, I was gonna upload that. I was gonna record this an unboxing video on YouTube. Why did you open it? But he was like, let's just pretend that it's new. So yeah, this is new. Let's just pretend. Okay, so I got a tripod, and I've been wanting to get a new tripod for the past couple of months because I've been back vlogging lately, and my old tripod that I'm using for vlogging is actually broken. I've been using my hands to vlog. Back then I was doing this. I was like, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna be vlogging today. And then I found this guy in my drawer, right? This drawer right here, this middle drawer right here. I saw him and I was like, you know what? I feel like I'm gonna use this guy. And then I didn't even realize that this tripod is like really broken. Like if you guys can see here, it's like really loosened. If you connect your phone, it would loose up, and it's movie. I don't know if this is normal, but I never used a tripod to vlog before. And also, not that it's broken, but this is also broken. This is broken. So I don't know who broke it. Oh, all of them are broken. I didn't even realize that, but all of them are broken. But yeah, this is not a shock to me. I've been using this for for the past couple of June, and past couple days of June. I think it was like June 3, when my brother's birthday, and then I've used it and I was like, I hate this tripod. I asked my dad to buy me one, and here it is. Here's the tripod. So I'm gonna show you guys what comes into the parcel. Ooh, 2 packages. Throw that away. It's a tripod. Really cool. Okay. So we're literally unboxing this first. We're doing this one first because, of course, we want to see the tripod firstly. Should I keep this Ziploc bag? Nice. Love it. Smells really brand new. It smells like someone hasn't really touched it. Also, it feels like I'm gonna get COVID by this. So this is what this stand looks like. Whoa, they're really cool. Is it bendy? Wow, they're bendy. That's really cool. So I saw this and they were actually bendy. So I saw this on the product images and they were actually bendy, so haha, that's really cool. How am I gonna connect my phone to this? Oh, this actually moves. Wait, can I don't wanna get rid of it. Oh my god. No instructions or anything? Yeah, I appreciate that. Oh shoot. So this is what it looks like. I think this guy is what you need to put it in. It's just a little plastic. Got it! So this is what the tripod looks like. I'm gonna put my phone in here. You guys can hear so many movie wind, then it's my tripod or my phone, because I'm using my phone to record. You guys can see that. Oh, it's bright white, so nah, don't. I got it. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. This is a really big tripod. Imagine I was walking this in public. I was like,
hey everyone, today we're vlogging because I'm bored.
But yeah, it's really good. I like it. Like, I love how it bends also. Yeah, really strong. I'm kidding. But yeah, this old tripod, I guess I'll keep it. It's really different than the other one. It has many, small, I don't know what happened to this one. Did I break this one too? I don't even know. But yeah, this is what it looks like now. So this is what it looks like that I'm vlogging, guys. Yeah, I'll give you guys an example.
Hey guys, welcome to a Vlogmas.
Okay, I'm literally happy with this tripod. I'll be literally using this tomorrow to continue my mom's birthday vlog. If you guys have seen that, check that card right here, and yeah, check it out. I'm happy with this tripod. I'm gonna be using this tomorrow, but the problem is it doesn't fit on my fanny pack, so I guess I'll bring an exact freaking backpack to put this in. But yeah, I love this tripod. tripod looks cool. Like, hey yo, tripod, love this guy right here. So I haven't got anything coming into the mail yet, but it hasn't arrived yet. I bought a headphone stand, but I will be doing that on the channel. So this next clip of the video will be my headphone stand, even though it hasn't arrived yet. So next up from that, way from the future, you're with it now. Alright guys, so it is the next day of my unboxing. I know that I'm wearing a different shirt and I have this guy below here. It's because I attended a anniversary party and we won a lot of things. So we're gonna be unboxing two things. I have one extra that I got, but you know what, I'm just gonna feature it in the video. So it is almost 10 p.m. and I need to do stuff, and I'm just gonna do this video in a rush because yeah. And also I'm a mess, but yeah, let's just not talk about it. I'm always a mess in my videos anyways. So a package came into the mail earlier and I'm really excited to open this. My dad opened it again because he didn't know what it was. If you guys can see here, like faded out, so I was like, okay, it's alright, like it's alright, just open this. Let's just pretend that it didn't happen. So we got the headphones that I'm really excited to set this up. I need a cutter to be a professional unboxer. Cut it open. Oh my god, this ring light is so bright. Hang on. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Okay, we got it. We got the headphone stand. I'm excited. Whoa! Look at this. So this is what the package looks like. If the freaking ring light can just calm down. So this is what the package looks like. It has that. And has the installations in the back. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna open this guy. How do we open this? Oh, there, at the bottom. Oh, it has a little tray. Oh shoot! I literally almost dropped it. Ooh, so this is what it has on it. I was reading back into this. Okay, so we have the stand here. Oh wait, we have the pillar. We need the pillar. Let's get that one. Ooh, it looks like a flute. It looks like a flute. And then the next thing we have here is the stand. It says new B is where we put it in. And then we have the, oh my god, is this actually, oh, that's really cool. Okay, didn't know. So we have these guys right here and then we're gonna install them. We don't need instructions. We can do this on our own. And my desk is really messy right now and thank god you guys don't see it. Oh wow, that's strong. Okay, we need to put the other part in. Oh, is it like this? Oh, it's backwards. Huh, this is cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna throw this away. I have a lot of things to throw away now. So this is mainly for my headphone stand. I put my headset in this area right here, and it's really messy. I don't like it, so I bought a headphone stand, and we're gonna put it over to this side. Yay, that looks really good. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys it. So that what it looks like. I'm really happy. Thank you. The top is a little jelly, which is a little weird, but it's all right. Next up unboxing we have is from Mini. So this is what I won from the anniversary event title, so yeah, that's why I wanted to feature this in the unboxing. And I won myself a power bank. I've been wanting to get a power bank for like months since quarantine has started, but problem is I don't really know what 5000 mAh means. But I got this, my dad bought it and I stole it home. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this. It has a battery. Oh wait, this is not a battery. I thought it was a battery for a sec. It's the charger, so they give you a free charger. That's nice. Okay, how do I open this? I don't want to break it. Oh my god, the safety. Oh my god. It took forever. Well, so we have ourselves a mini power bank. Does it tell you the, oh wait, does it tell you? Stop. It tells you! Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to get this power bank for so long. Yay, I'm happy. And it comes in the other package too, is a manual and a charger to charge your power bank. And I'm really happy because I'm literally going to be using this whenever I'm going to travel or going to go out. So you can charge this power bank in various ways. USB adapter, car charger, or laptop. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yay, I have a power bank now. Whoop whoop. Let me go ahead and put this in here so that my brother can use it. And thankfully have this guy. I used to have to get all of my things out. My videos, my stuff, all of that. But yeah, that's basically what I unboxed. Oh wait, also I got money from the raffle, but we're not gonna show that. You guys don't need to know how much I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you all so much for watching this unboxing journey with me. It's been really fun. I like to unbox things on the channel. But if you guys want some more unboxing videos, make sure to give this video a like. My Steel series unboxing video really performed super well, and I'm really glad you guys really like it. And comment down below, what should I unbox? Or should I unbox something else, kind of like that? And make sure to subscribe for more videos and turn on notifications for more videos like this. My thingy just went like this. But yeah, and I'll thank you all so much for watching. My name is Wavy Wham, and I'll see you all later. Bye.